Did you know that some get-paid websites have only a $0.10 threshold for Dogecoin? The payouts can be accessed through PayPal, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. Having a savings account with cryptocurrency and earning Dogecoin daily is also possible. For today's video, we have a list of the best Dogecoin earning websites for you. Let us get started. Number 6. FreeCash. FreeCash.com is one of the best places to earn Dogecoin crypto. The platform is worldwide and offers free Dogecoin for answering surveys and completing offers. Aside from surveys, a ledger board for significant contests is available. Moreover, FreeCash has a referral program where you make money by referring people to the site with a link. For instance, suppose you sign up and send your unique profile to invite links to friends. Once they also sign up, you earn some Doge for introducing them to the site. The payout threshold is $0.10 for Dogecoin, making it a quick way to make cash.
That was quick.
You can withdraw via PayPal or convert the earnings into gift cards. Unfortunately, iOS users cannot access the app and must use the mobile web browser. Android users are good to go. For those who do not wish to do anything, there is another site where you sign up and make money without participating in any activities. Shortly, we will explain the rules of the peer-to-profit website and what you can earn on it. Number 5. COINTIPLY. Opportunities on COINTIPLY are abundant for Dogecoin users. The website offers rewards for multiple activities. The activities include answering surveys, playing games, clicking ads, completing paid offers, etc. The activities are easy to complete, and one can finish as many as one can without restrictions. The threshold for payout is $3. However, it is easy to achieve that amount due to the number of opportunities available. The options come frequently, and as such, they can be a regular source of earning.
That is a lot of money.
The COINTIPLY app is available on all mobile phones. Since it offers worldwide membership, a person can earn it regardless of location. Number 4. Peer-to-profit. This concept is quite like running an internet services place. When you are signed as a member of Peer-to-Profit, you are required to share your unused internet bandwidth with the website's customers. Essentially, you are their internet source once you install the app onto your device. This role can be from any part of the world, and you do not have a threshold assigned. Once you have made enough, it is up to you to withdraw and keep hosting. Dogecoin latest news update indicates that you should hold for long, so maybe you can keep earning until the next bull market, where you will have made so much and can become the next Dogecoin billionaire. Number 3. Nexo. Nexo is a notable crypto bank and trading platform. The main priority of the site is to list coins according to their demand. For example, the Dogecoin price target will determine how Nexo offers future contracts and so on. Nevertheless, it also holds your coins in custody as banks accept deposits. Whatever amount in Doge value you deposit, you will earn free Dogecoin daily if you keep it in your wallet. The Doge should sit in your wallet, period. For this site to benefit, consider earning coins from the other sites and store all the earnings on a Nexo wallet for your 3% average daily interest. A savings account in crypto sounds brilliant. Coming up, we will present a site with a high earning capacity, but not for Dogecoin itself. How does one earn Dogecoins if they cannot earn them on the site? We will tell you in a moment. Number 2. TIMEBUCKS. TIMEBUCKS is a website that offers earning opportunities, including answering surveys, watching online slideshows, watching videos, taking paid offers, social media tasks, etc. The payout threshold is the equivalence of $10, which can be used globally. While you are invited to use the site from around the world, some opportunities are available in specific countries only. The same applies to the payment methods. The payout happens automatically at the end of each week unless you did not meet the threshold. Then, the payout is carried to the following week. The payout methods are many, including cryptocurrency and bank transfer.
I will send the wire transfer immediately.
We are your #1 crypto guide. If you want to be updated with everything crypto, from exchange platforms and earning websites to price predictions, subscribe for daily content. Number 1. Idle Empire. Idle Empire has an excellent referral program to earn Dogecoin. Besides that, You can make money from watching videos, completing offers, and answering surveys. It is open to people from all over the world. The payout threshold remains $0.10 for cryptocurrency. Sadly, Idle Empire does not pay in Dogecoin. They don't know what they are missing, right? They use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other gaming platform currencies. However, once you receive the earnings on Payeer, you can convert them into gift cards and Dogecoin. In fact, to redeem your earnings via Payeer, you need to earn 1,000 coins, which equates to $0.10. These Dogecoin free earning websites are fabulous news. However, sometimes exchange platforms where one can withdraw your cryptocurrency could be tiring. That is why we have compiled a list of the best 6 exchanges for XRP crypto that are easy and flexible. Watch the video and let us know if you want one for Dogecoin.